Hi, Brian Ordway here from Techway Automotive in Dothan, Alabama. I want to talk about an evaporator core on your AC system. This is a brand new evaporator core Brent's fixing to put into this F-250. It's an 01 F-250, and this truck happens to belong to a farm. And what happens with these evaporators, the customer will come in and they'll complain that there's no airflow, that the air conditioner's cooling, but they're not getting any volume of air. They've lost the volume of air. And what happens on these trucks, let me grab the one that he just pulled out. What happens on these trucks is they get completely stopped up with dirt. And it happens on our construction trucks, it happens on our farm trucks, we see it a lot. These trucks, this is an 01 model, and these trucks did not come with a cabin air filter. The newer vehicles that come with a cabin air filter, that air filter will actually stop up with this dirt, and that's why you need to replace them. They'll restrict your air volume. On these older trucks, that dirt gets inside these evaporator cores and just completely stops them up, and you really can't clean them once they get this packed. When they get this packed, the only option you have is to replace it, and it's typically anywhere between $700 and $1,000 to replace these things. They do make a AC kit, an evaporator core cleaning kit, and if you have a truck that's driven on dirt roads on a regular basis or on a farm like this, you can do that evaporator core cleaning kit. If you did that about once a year or maybe every 15,000 miles, that will help this. It will not completely stop it, but it will help these things last a lot longer and not have to spend so much money to replace your evaporator core. Again, this is Brian Ordway from Techway Automotive here in Dothan, Alabama.